Hi, I'm Vicco von Voss.
And I'm Tom Sinat.
We are here today for the last presentation of our St. Matthew's Sanctuary project. And Tom, you want to talk a little bit about our dedication?
Yeah, this Sunday, today we're doing on Wednesday, this coming Sunday, the furniture is going to be dedicated in the new sanctuary. There were a number of pieces that were made. The altar table, a processional cross, a large sanctuary cross, and this beautiful pulpit.
So as you can see, when we started, we had this little model of the pulpit, and you can see how close it actually turned out. We poured epoxy resin, or as I like to call it, acrylic in there. It's been a little bit of a challenge to get the acrylic nice and shiny after we've been sanding it. So we've had some challenges, but we're right here at the finishing line with tomorrow's delivery. It'll be down to the last hour to get everything polished out and ready for the Mass on Sunday.
It's been a wonderful experience working with Vicco on this. There's been a lot of collaboration with the clients at Matthew's Lutheran Church, with Vicco, and with a lot of the other people who have contributed toward the design and fabrication of some of the intricate pieces of this. For example, there's a pull-out steps in back of the pulpit so that if somebody is not quite tall enough for this, they can go up on the steps. But all that had to be figured out and put together.
And vice versa, for me, it's been a real honor to work with Tom, because Tom, being a pastor, has insights into the church and the religion that I, as a craftsman, don't have. One of my favorite details is when Tom was laying out the glass in the main cross. We laid out the glass from the previous church in a form to create Christ's body, and Tom picked out red pieces of glass for the heart, for where Christ was nailed to the cross. There's a red spike that where he was wounded, and then obviously where his feet were. But right below his feet are two square dice. And that's a great example of what Tom brought to the project.
Well, I was very glad to work with Vicco and with the St. Matthew's Lutheran Church, and I think everything came together very well, and I hope the congregation will be pleased, because we honored the tradition of the old church, incorporating that into the design for the new furniture, and the new furniture will be very appropriate for a new and modern sanctuary.
And I think there's one other note that should be mentioned. We had one particular donor who is dedicating this to his wife, and we want to thank him for his dedication and bringing these pieces forward in order to keep her memory alive. So thank you very much, and hopefully we'll see you on Sunday.